kids, I'm George. Welcome to Georgie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and sour chicken with pineapple. Let's start. You need some chicken. They have been marinated. Some pineapple. Some minced garlic. Red pepper. And yellow pepper. Finally, we have onion. Let's start. Now, let's cut the onion. For safety reasons, I put on my safety goggles so I don't cry. The onions will make you cry. We don't need the head and the bottom. Gordon, be careful. Now we cut the pepper. Remember to cut the pepper into small triangles. Now we cut the red pepper. Die. Bim bom boom, bim bom bim bim. We applied some cornstarch on the chicken. Oh no. Now we need to fry the chicken. First, we turn on the stove. We test the oil with the chopsticks to see if the oil ready. See the bubbles? Now we need let's add a first kick.
Are you having fun, Gordon?
We flip the chicken until both sides are golden. Now the chickens are ready. This is the sauce for the dish. We have ketchup, sugar, soy sauce, and vinegar. Now we turn on the stove. Add some oil. And add 1 spoon of garlic. When you hear the sizzling sound of the garlic, that means it's ready. So we add in some onion. Now we add the pepper. Now we add the salt. Now we add the chicken. Then we add the pineapple. Give it a stir. Always taste your food, as Gordon Ramsay says. We add in the cornstarch with water. Okay. Now, let's serve. Now, let's set up the table. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.